habitat containers stable, moving them to the monitoring zone now.
Health readings confirmed. These snakes are ready for transfer.
Climate chamber set. Maintain shedding conditions optimal.
Shedding cycle in progress. Keep the airflow steady.
Collection complete. No disturbance to the animals.
Brush pressure looks good. Keep the cleaning cycle running.
UV exposure balanced. Continue the sterilization pass. Conditioning complete. Skins are fully hydrated. Drying levels optimal. Keep the airflow consistent. Alignment stable. Rollers holding correct pressure. Thickness verified. Proceeding to leveling stage.
Steam cycle stable. Keep the pressure balanced.
Pattern imprint secure. Stamp pressure looks perfect.
Color saturation confirmed. Continue the dye sequence.
Curing levels optimal. Run the full heat cycle.
Surface gloss confirmed. Polish cycle looks clean.
Bond strength verified. Layers are merging perfectly.
Flexibility optimal. Skins feel ready for cutting.
Sorting complete. Grade A skins moving to cutting line.
Cutting pattern verified. Panels ready for assembly.
Edge lines look clean. Maintain the trimming speed. Perforation grid stable. Patterns are perfectly mapped.
Reinforcement secure. Panels meet strength requirements. Sorting accuracy at 99%. Sending panels to assembly.
Stitch line clean. Sleeves are forming perfectly.
Alignment confirmed. Run the seam stitch sequence. Curvature perfect. Collar set ready for assembly. Surface shine approved. Finish looks premium.
Detail enhancement complete. Patterns are perfectly balanced.
Lining secure. Interior fit looks perfect.
Hardware locked in. Mounting sequence stable.
Structure confirmed. Jackets holding perfect form. Inspection clear. No defects detected on this batch. Tag alignment perfect. Sending jackets to packing.
Fold pattern consistent. Proceed with soft compression.
Packaging secure. Wrap tension is excellent on this batch.
Pallet complete. Load integrity confirmed. Storage stable. Conditions are ideal for preservation. Dispatch cleared. This shipment is ready to roll.